So in the previous video I given this question as homework for you. I hope you have tried it. So we have 2x minus 1 upon x minus 2, rule number 1 and rule number 2. So we can claim it for partial fraction. Degree, check it out, x into x square, x cube. Degree is of numerator is 1. Degree of denominator is 3. So numerator is less than denominator. First verify it's proper or improper. Proper idre matra rule na haklik barutte. Improper ittu andre first you have to divide. And then and only then you can think about the rules. So to begin with, here it's a proper fraction. We can think about rule. Yav rule apply madabeku andaga denominator factors will give you an idea. For rule number 1, rule number 2. We have a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 whole square. Let's go for LCM. We have LCM. We have balanced the equation, verify it. And then the game begins. We have a and okay, I think I need to repeat here. X minus 2, we have x plus 1. Ide yavaglu LCM agutte. So for a, what I should multiply? This is LCM. E factor ide. A illide. What I should multiply to balance for LCM? I should multiply it for x plus 1 whole square. B illide. X plus 1 ide. Idu LCM ide. Factors nodkoli. LCM nodkoli. For this, I should multiply it by x minus 2 as well as x plus 1. C, I should multiply it by x minus 2. Same step, I wrote it here. Okay. Now, LCM gets vanished. Cancel agutte. We are left with this left out equation. Clear? Now, A and find A value, B and C target. 2, x minus 2. Easily B and C eliminate agbidutte, 0 agbidutte nodi. So put x is equal to 2. Here 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3. A 2 plus 1 3 3 square 9a. 3 1s are 3 3s are. A value 3 alla 1 by 3. So now B value sigalla, C value sigboda. For this, let's think about x plus 1 factor. Put x equal to minus 1. We have c is equal to 1. Do the calculation. Now apart from minus 1 and apart from 2, we weighed values in a bit 2. Any value of x you can claim here. So I prefer to go for x equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 0. Along with that, put a value 1 by 3. Put c value 1. X is 0. A value afterwards, C value afterwards, but first put x equal to 0. Okay, minus 1 hakungilla, plus 2 hakungilla. Where values bit 2. The best option I find 0. So 0 I substituted here. This is what left out equation. Now A value 1 by 3, C value as plus 1. So we are left out with this equation, and please do solve it. You find B value as minus 1 by 3. Check it out, calculation part. B value siktu, C value siktu, A value. All the values we are going to claim it here. A, B, C. This step number kotira. The same step you are going to rewrite by putting A value as 1 by 3, B value as minus 1 by 3, C value as plus 1, which I done it here. Here integration of this is same as integration of all these steps. This to be taken as 1 by 3 log mod x minus 2 minus 1 by 3 log mod x plus 1. This is integration of x plus 1 raised to minus 2. To be taken as minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1, denominator minus 1. I integrated and I given the answer here. Minus 1. You step bodu. So we have minus 1 denominator x plus 1 plus c should be the answer. I hope everyone has got the same answer. So this should be answer for 9th question. Now let's move on for 10th question. Integration of 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 into x square plus 4. Substitution साध्य दिया? No. Trigonometry साध्य दिया? No. Standard result? No. We can think about partial fractions as we had denominator factors. Partial fraction. But partial fraction li yav rule na anta andaga rule number 1. And what about this? Nodi x square plus 4 ide. X plus 4 whole square illa. X plus 4 whole square iddidre, if at all the term exists, then I would have preferred to go for rule number 2. Isn't it? But right now x square plus 4, and this says rule number 3. This question is based on rule number 3. So 3 rules already had discussed based on the partial fraction in my previous video, or maybe the 18th video I discussed. So check it out what all rules we have for partial fraction. Rule number 1 for non-repeating linear factors. Rule number 2 for repeating linear factors. Rule number 3 for irreducible quadratic factor. ಇರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರಿಬಹುದು? ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇರ್ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ quadratic factor. Got it? So rule number 3 is specially given on this type of factor. So partial fraction na finally plan ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು we are claiming here, and this term has been taken. Partial fraction rule says this term a upon x plus 1, but what about this term? Rule says two terms are existing. At a stretch it is in the form of bx plus c. ಈ term ಇದೆ b upon c upon ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು bx x ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, bx plus c upon x square plus 4 to be taken at a stretch. This is rule number 3. So as it is, we have to go for LCM. LCM we have x plus 1 into x square plus 4. ಅದೇ LCM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ LCM ಆಗಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. LCM ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Then what should multiply to a? We have x plus 1, this LCM. I should multiply it for x square plus 4. This I mentioned. What about bx plus c? I should multiply bx plus c. This is the denominator, this LCM. Once I compare, I should multiply it by x plus 1. So we find bx plus c into x plus 1. But while writing this step, you will apply bracket only for x plus 1. You will not apply bracket for this term. Definitely will go wrong because it is binomial. Two terms we find here, which is to be multiplied with this binomial. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ into x plus 1. So please mention this bracket here, otherwise you'll definitely go wrong in the calculation part. Okay, so after doing this, LCM gets eliminated. This is common step in irrespective of rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. Okay, but only thing LCM will balance ಮಾಡೋ step ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ careful ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. So once we got this equation 3x minus 2 a into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x minus 1 x plus 1. Now study this equation. Target is a value, b value, c value. Target a value plan ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. To find a value, this term has to be eliminated. b and c ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ eliminate ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ the factor available x plus 1. This you can make it 0 by putting minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1 throughout the equation. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 a, it is minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 4. ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ b and c both are eliminated. So left out for calculation we have 5a, this is minus 5, a value is minus 1. Now the next question, next part is b and c. b and c ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, b can be easily eliminated because x is the coefficient of this. I repeat, b can be easily eliminated because x can be made 0. Only x can be made 0 here. So b can be easily taken out. We're left out with a and c, where a is known to us, so that c we can calculate. I repeat, b and c are left out. ಆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ along with this x is equal to 0, if I'll put a value also here, a gets eliminated, this value b gets eliminated, c we can find out easily. So that means small planning you need to work out here. So common, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಬೈ 1 or 2 numericals if you practice, you will get an idea here. So x is equal to 0, I taken here, left out with minus 2. We have x equal to 0 here, we left with 4a. But a value taken minus 1. One step you can write and then you can go for a value. This is x is 0, eliminated, c ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. X is 0, we have plus 1. So A had taken here, X had taken 0, B has gone. So this equation left out for C, which gives us 2. So A sikkide, C sikkide. Now B had to calculate. Guess what? What should be done? Any value of X this time. Any value of X. So are -1 ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. -1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ B eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X is equal to 0 ಹಾಕೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, because X equal to 0 will eliminate B. So leaving X is equal to 0 and -1, put any value of X. I prefer to go for 1. Even you can select 2, you can select 3, any value, but along with X value, put A value as -1, put C value as 2. Should be done. So once we do this, X is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 here, balance it, you find B value, do the calculation, find B value 1. Got it? So now A value, B value, C value, ವಾಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕಿ claim ಮಾಡಿ. This step. The same step you're going to rewrite once again. Therefore, the same step. 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 to x square plus 4. A value is -1. Denominator we find x plus 1. B value is plus 1. 1x plus 2. C value is 2. Denominator x square plus 4. So integration of this is integration of this. Okay. What about this term? Again, split martira. It is x upon x square plus 4 plus 2 upon x square plus 4. So integration of this is possible because of log minus log mod x plus 1. What about x square plus 4? This is always a substitution method. I repeat, substitution method. So we have integration of x upon x square plus 4 by substitution method. Put x square plus 4 is equal to t. 2x derivative. Differentiate. 2x go dt by dx. X with respect to x is half of dt, which you're going to claim it here. What about this? This I should call it as particular functions. Shortly we'll be learning this formula. Wherever we have x square plus a square, the answer should be taken as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c is a standard formula. Standard formula. So remember, rule number 3 apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ for this term. Rule number 3 apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ last integration process, first half part, second half part. First half part requires substitution. One more part is generally we claim it for, this is called as particular functions ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ split ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. First term, rule number 1 is always log only. So integration is possible here. Substitution I'm claiming. So we have minus log x plus 1. This is x with respect to x is half of dt. This I should claim it as t. Left out this to be taken as x square plus a square. 2 square. So a value is 2. 1 here, 2 is already existing. 2 outside. 1 by a. 1 by 2. Tan inverse of x by a is 2 plus c. So integration to be done here. We find minus log of mod x plus 1 plus 1 by 2. We find here log mod t. This 2 eliminates. We have tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. T to be taken as x square plus 4. So this is the final answer for 10th question. You do it and again you solve the same question once from your side. So next question you find 11th one. It is integration of x plus 9 denominator 1 minus x into x square plus 4. Give a pause and you can try to solve this question. Obviously this will give an idea rule number 1. This will give an idea rule number 3. Partial fraction I can claim here, it's a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Degree x into x square, x is to 3, degree is 3, degree is 1. So consider the function. Rule number 1, a upon 1 minus x. Rule number 3, 2 alla, 3, bx plus c upon x square plus 4. So what is LCM here? LCM should be 1 minus x into x square plus 4. This is multiply, cross multiply. Bx plus c, take a bracket and multiply with 1 minus x, and the LCM gets vanished, which I taken straight away here. So to find out a value, put x is equal to 1. 1 plus 9, 10. A left out, a value 2. Now put x value 0. Along with that, a value 2. Throughout the equation, we find 9 is equal to, Here x is 0, we find 4. A value is 2. Here C value, x is 0. C, here we have x is equal to 0, we find 1. 4 2s are 8 plus C, 9. C value is 1. Now put x value apart from 1 and 0. You can say 2, A value 2, C value 1. Throw out the equation and please solve it once from your side. You find B value as 2. So put B value, C value, A value back in this equation, which I done it here. X plus 9 upon 1 minus x into x square plus 4 is equal to 2 denominator. We have 1 minus x. We have 2x plus 1 denominator, x square plus 4. So integration of this is same as integration of 2 upon 1 minus x. This to be taken as 2x upon x square plus 4. This to be taken as 1 upon x square plus 4. Now integration is possible because of log. 2 kept out. We find log mod of 1 minus x. Be careful, we have minus x. Previous all the question we have taken x minus 1, isn't it? So log 1 minus x, denominator x coefficient. If I have to repeat, 1 upon ax plus b, integral value is log mod of ax plus b, denominator a. Previous all the question, luckily we got a value as plus 1, so we are not highlighted. Be careful, in this question we find minus 1 to be balanced. What about this? This part I taken for substitution. Put x square plus 4 is equal to t. This is substitution method. Put x square plus 4 is equal to t. We have 1 by t. 2x is replaced by dt. This is standard result, 1 upon x square plus 2 square. This is particular function, I should say. Particular function. That formula barutte idakke, particular function. This is substitution method. You can write one step here. Substitution ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೆ claim ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲೇ. I have taken straight away. So this is minus 2 log mod of 1 minus x. This is log mod of t, isn't it? This term should be taken as particular function 1 by a is 2. 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. So log t, replace it back. We have x square plus 4 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c should be the answer. Similarly, you can solve 12th and 13th question homework given here. Be careful, we have x square minus 1. Idu factorization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. x minus 1, x plus 1. So ಎಲ್ಲ rule number 1 ಮೇಲೆ apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Third rule apply ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. x square minus 1 can be taken as a square minus b square. Factorization ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ rule number 1 ಅನ್ನ apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು plus 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಿದ್ರೆ rule number 3 I should claim it here as it is irreducible. But right now the given question is reducible. So we have rule number 1. What about this? X can be taken common. We have x square plus 9. X square plus 9. So rule number 1 as well as x square plus 9 irodrinda rule number 3 can be claimed here. Think about this. Try to solve these two questions. Solution part also given here. Solve it and you can verify the solution part. So based on these partial fraction, in my next video, I'll start with exercise 7.5. In my next video, I'll start with exercise 7.5 solution part. You can even try to solve this question. Thank you.